Louis, how we doing? Um, Let me mute that. Okay, this week has been weird, man. So I've not trained since Tuesday. I know, obviously, we spoke during the week about partly why anyway. So Tuesday, obviously, I did legs too, and my back was really sore on Wednesday and a little bit sore on Thursday. Um, so that's the reason why I didn't train on Wednesday, as Wednesday was going to be my upper day. But that does include some overhead pressing and stuff. So I decided to skip that. Thursday night I couldn't train anyway because I was away for like the afternoon and the evening with the other half. Friday, because I only worked half a day Friday, because obviously I'd been away with a missus, I ended up having to work a bit later just to recoup some money that I'd lost by having a couple of half days and obviously a bank holiday. So I didn't get in from work until 8:15. So by the time I'd eaten and sorted a couple of bits out, it was too late to get to the gym to do anything. And then Saturday, I was out shopping all day, which was a nightmare. Um, Again with the missus. So we left my house at about 11:30 and I got in at 9:05 at night. So food was crap, no time for the gym. And again today, I've been putting together flat pack units for basically the missus moving in. So this week's been pretty mental. So food hasn't been great, mate. I've not really tracked anything since sort of Thursday, maybe. Eaten out a couple of times, mate. It's just been one of them weeks where life has just generally got in the way, really, this week. So hopefully everything goes back to normal tomorrow. I do start a new contract, though, tomorrow for 4 weeks, which is in Braintree. So that's a bit of a pain because I'm not as local as I was, so I'm not sure what time I'm going to be getting home at night. And obviously I'm going to have to be leaving earlier, so it's going to be longer days. But hopefully everything will just... I'll have to just suck it up and train a bit later and whatnot. It should be okay. It should be okay. Obviously, until I get started on it, I'm not really going to know times and stuff. It's all just kind of gone to pot, mate, since Tuesday. So there's probably not much to check in with, to be honest, mate. It's probably not even really worth having a look at my spreadsheet. I feel really shit for it as well, mate, because everything was going so well. I've had like 4 or 5 really good weeks where everything's going up, food's been like spot on. Like I say, it's just one of them things, just going to have to accept it. I'm sure it's the same for most people, but every now and then just life just gets in the way. Unfortunately, I can't just revolve my life around the gym as much as I wish I could. So what have we got now? So what, maybe like 7 weeks left of bulking, maybe. So I don't know if that just means do we start again, seeing as this has been almost another accidental deload week. I'll leave that down to you, or if you just want to crack on, just sort of follow on as from where I'd left on Tuesday. So I will do everything I possibly can to get into the gym tomorrow, although I know I have a half free appointment in Braintree. So each appointment probably takes me at least an hour. So I'm really not sure what time I'm going to get home tomorrow. Um, I'll see how I get on, and I will keep you updated. So this is probably going to be pretty quick this week. I apologise because I've been shit this week. Um, yeah, it's just been a bit crap, mate. So you let me know how you think we should like proceed from here on in, whether we just carry on from where we left off basically and just keep everything as it was, and I'll just jump onto upper day tomorrow, providing I can get in there. Um, Keep food and everything the same. If you say yeah, that's the way to do it, then we'll do that. If we're going to class this as like another accidental deload, let me know if you need me to change anything up for this week's or this upcoming week's worth of training. And yeah, so I haven't updated any photos, mate, because obviously, I mean, my food's been so all over the place. Just yesterday, because we were out all day, I ate what I should have ate in the morning, and I thought, I took some stuff with me but then it just gets a bit out of hand, and I knew we were coming home late, so we stopped and we ended up having something at Prezzo. And it was yeah, so I'm sure you know what it's like. I'm sure there's plenty of other people out there that have the same sort of thing. It's just a general kind of life thing where it just is what it is some weeks. So let me know how you think we should proceed. I've not updated any more pictures, mate. I can try to do that if I get a chance. I still haven't had a chance to weigh myself. You'd have thought with a whole day's worth of shopping I'd have bought some bloody scales, wouldn't you? But I completely forgot. But I will source some at some point. I did weigh myself in IKEA actually, but I'd eaten and stuff through the day, so it probably doesn't really count for much, to be honest. There was a pair of scales sitting in one of the little bathroom things there, so I thought I'd quickly weigh myself. They're not going to be accurate, mate, so I won't even tell you what it was. I'll write it down. It's not worth it. So yeah, get back to me as and when, mate, and hopefully I can crack on as normal, mate, from tomorrow, and just let me know if you need any changes, mate. Thanks, Louis.